Chapter 4 Primary Activities Question Answers from Class 12 Subject Geography Book Fundamentals of Human Geography. Exercises Question 1 Choose the right answer from the four alternatives given below. First, which one of the following is not a plantation crop? Answer C. Wheat. Second, in which one of the following countries cooperative farming was the most successful experiment? Answer B. Denmark. Third, growing of flowers is called D. Floriculture. Fourth, which one of the following types of cultivation was developed by European colonists? Answer D. Plantation. Fifth, in which one of the following regions is extensive commercial grain cultivation not practiced? Answer D. Amazon basin. Sixth, in which of the following types of agriculture is the farming of citrus fruit very important? Answer C. Mediterranean agriculture. 7. Which one type of agriculture amongst the following is also called slash and burn agriculture? Answer B. Primitive subsistence agriculture. 8. Which one of the following does not follow monoculture? Answer B. Mixed farming. Second, answer the following questions in about 30 words. First, future of shifting cultivation is bleak. Discuss. Answer. Shifting cultivation leads to deforestation, soil erosion, and declining soil fertility. The fallow period is decreasing, making it unsustainable. Modern agricultural practices are replacing it due to low productivity. Second, market gardening is practiced near urban areas. Why? Answer. Market gardening supplies perishable items like vegetables, fruits, and flowers to nearby urban markets. It benefits from quick transport access, high consumer demand, and better prices. Third, large scale dairy farming is the result of the development of transportation and refrigeration. Answer. Transportation and refrigeration allow milk and dairy products to be preserved and delivered quickly to distant markets. This has enabled dairy farming to expand beyond local consumption. Third, answer the following questions in not more than 150 words. First, differentiate between nomadic herding and commercial livestock rearing. Answer. Aspect, nature, nomadic herding, primitive subsistence, commercial livestock rearing, modern commercial, mobility, nomadic herding, nomads move with animals in search of pasture, commercial livestock rearing, fixed ranches with rotational grazing. Animals, nomadic herding, sheep, goats, reindeer, camels, yaks, commercial livestock rearing, cattle, sheep, pigs, horses. Regions, nomadic herding, Sahara, Central Asia, Arctic, commercial livestock rearing, USA, Argentina, Australia, New Zealand. Technology, nomadic herding, traditional low capital investment, commercial livestock rearing, scientific high capital investment. Output, nomadic herding, low productivity, commercial livestock rearing, high productivity, export oriented. Second, discuss the important characteristic features of plantation agriculture. Name a few important plantation crops from different countries. Answer. Plantation agriculture is a commercial, large-scale farming system introduced by European colonists in tropical regions. It features large estates with monocropping, single crop, heavy capital investment, use of scientific techniques and cheap labor, export-oriented products with processing units near plantations, linked to transport systems for easy export. Important plantation crops by region: India and Sri Lanka tea, Malaysia rubber, West Indies sugarcane banana, Brazil coffee, Fazenders, Indonesia sugarcane historically by Dutch, Philippines coconut. Over time, many plantations are now owned by national governments or local entities instead of foreign investors. Project activity: visit a nearby village and observe the cultivation of some crops. Ask the farmers and list the various operations. Answer. Village name Rampur. So friends, you can write your village name here. Crop observed wheat. Main agricultural operations: first, plucking the field using tractors. Second, sowing seeds using seed drills. Third, irrigation through canals or tube wells. Fourth, weeding manually or with herbicides. Fifth, applying fertilizers, urea, DAP. Sixth, pest control with insecticides. Seven, harvesting using sickles or combined harvesters. Eight, threshing and winnowing. Nine, transporting grains to local market or storage facility. Farmers emphasized timely irrigation and use of modern equipment for better yield. So friends, we have completed all these question answers from chapter 4, primary activities. We have already studied the short notes and summary of this chapter. You can find the link in the description and on the screen. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.